Welcome to the video on ICH guidelines for the quality. So in this video we are going to see the ICH guidelines which are related to the quality. ICH guidelines are there for quality, safety, efficacy, and there are some multidisciplinary guidelines. Quality of the pharmaceuticals is very much required, very much important, and is critical. So these ICH guidelines are there to guide the pharmaceutical professionals, organizations for the critical aspects of quality. The medicines should have quality as well as these should be safe and should have efficacy. In this upcoming slide, we will see what are the different quality guidelines. So there are total 14 guidelines for quality starting from Q1 to Q14. Q1 is related to the stability and the different guidelines are under Q1A, B, C, D, E and F. Q2 is related to analytical validation. Q3 is related to the impurity. So Q3 deals with the impurity in the pharmaceuticals. There are sub guidelines like Q3A, Q3B, Q3C, Q3D and Q3E. Q4 is the guideline dealing with the pharmacopoeias. So two guidelines are there, Q4A and Q4B. Q5 is the guideline which deals with quality of biopharmaceutical products. Q5A to Q5F are the guidelines in Q5 quality guideline. Then Q6 guideline is there for the specifications. There are two guidelines, Q6A and Q6B. Q7 guideline is for GMP for drug substances, that is good manufacturing practices for the drug substances. Q8 is the guideline for pharmaceutical development. Q8 guideline gives the idea about how the pharmaceutical development should be done, what are the critical aspects to be considered while developing the pharmaceutical product, and what are the quality requirements. Q9 guideline is for quality risk management, that is QRM. Q10 guideline is for pharmaceutical quality system, that is QPS. Q11 is the guideline for development and manufacture of drug substances. Q12 guideline is for life cycle management. Q13 guideline is for continuous manufacturing of drug substances and drug products. And last guideline, that is Q14, is for analytical procedure development. So these are the total 14 guidelines for quality given by the ICH. Now we will see Q1 guideline. So Q1 is for stability and many sub guidelines are there. So I have included the stability guideline in detail. Q1 is the guideline which deals with the stability testing of new drug substances and new drug products. Then Q1B is the guideline which deals with stability testing of new drug substances and new drug products. So this is related to the photostability. Q1A is for stability, Q1B is for photostability. Q1C is for stability testing of new dosage forms. Q1D deals with bracketing and matrixing designs. So this Q1D is for reducing the stability samples. Q1E is evaluation of stability data, and Q1F is the withdrawal guideline. Then Q3 is the impurity guideline, and there are 6 guidelines under this impurity section. So Q3A, that is impurity in new drug substances. Q3B, impurity in new drug products. So drug substance and drug products, different sections are there. Q3A and Q3B guidelines are there. Q3C is for the residual solvents. So the limits for the impurities are provided into the impurity quality guidelines. Q3D is for the elemental impurities. Q3E is for the evaluation of stability data, and Q3F is for assessment and control of extractables and leachables. So these are the quality guidelines, and these guideline understanding is much required whenever you are working in the pharmaceutical field. The video was short, and only in this video the quality guidelines were studied. I have made many videos onto the quality aspect of the pharmaceutical formulations, and these are available onto the channel. Many impurity videos are there, many videos related to the specifications are there, CMS, CPPs are there. So you can watch those videos for having the good understanding. Let's meet you soon with such kind of informative video, and I hope you might have got good idea about the ICH quality guidelines. So total 14 guidelines are there, and as a pharmaceutical professional, we should be very well known to these guidelines. Thank you for watching the video, and I request you to please do like, share and subscribe to Pharma Learning in Depth channel.